Today, I'm going to teach you how to delete and rename Mailchimp tags. This is really useful when you need to organize your email list, clean up outdated labels, or simply update your tagging system to better reflect your current marketing strategy. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open a web browser and navigate to Mailchimp.com. Once you're on the homepage, click the Sign In button and enter your account credentials to access your Mailchimp dashboard. This is where you'll manage all aspects of your email marketing campaigns and audience organization. After signing in, you'll see your main dashboard. From here, open the audience you want to manage by clicking on it in the left navigation. This will cause an expanded menu to appear, giving you access to all the management options for that specific audience. It's important to select the correct audience, especially if you manage multiple lists, as each audience has its own set of tags. Now click on Tags in the left sidebar. This will display your complete tag list, showing all the tags you've created for organizing your contacts. Tags are powerful tools for segmentation, so keeping them organized and up to date is essential for effective email marketing. Find the tag you want to delete or rename in the list. You can scroll through if you have a smaller number of tags, or use the search function if you're working with an extensive tagging system. To delete a single tag, click the down arrow next to the tag you want to remove. A menu will appear with several options. Select Delete from this menu. Mailchimp will then prompt you to confirm this action to prevent accidental deletions. When the confirmation dialog appears, click Delete again to permanently remove the tag from your system. This action won't delete the contacts themselves, just the tag label. To rename a tag, click the down arrow next to the tag you want to update and select Rename from the menu. A text field will appear where you can type the new tag name. Choose a name that clearly describes the segment or category this tag represents. Once you've entered the new name, click Save to apply the change. The tag will immediately update across all contacts who have been assigned that tag, maintaining your segmentation while giving it a more accurate or relevant label. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to delete and rename tags in Mailchimp, giving you better control over your audience organization. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.